gonna tell you how to make video through InShot app. First of all, just open the InShot app, create new, and from here you can choose blank video, and you can increase its duration as much as you want, and then you can add text to that, like clicking on text. You can type any text you want to add on your video, and then you can add some animations on your text, increase the duration of animation, and these all animation are available in this app. You can try of your choice, and from here you can choose the font as well, any font you want, and you can add another text box, even increase its duration as well. And every text box has its own animations and text format and text color. So after adding 2 text boxes, now I'm going to tell you you can add animations, stickers, and you can increase its size by simply dragging it, and then you need to remove this icon as it's free version. So just click on this. Before that, you can add picture as well. Choose any picture from the library, drag it. Zoom in, zoom out option is available, or simply click on this and this will be adjusted on complete screen. Remove this InShot logo by watching 30-second ad, because it's a free version and you need to buy the pro version if you don't want such kind of logos in your video. So you just need to watch 30 seconds ad in order to enjoy logo free. See, the logo is removed. So now you can add some filters to your video, and then you can add music to your video. There are so many pre-designed music available in the library, even effects. You can add so many effects, and then you can increase or decrease the volume of your video. You can increase duration of your video. You can split your video or delete any part if you want to delete through this option. Is the volume option, and then you can denoise your video, change the duration. You can crop your video as it's not a supported file format, but if you have supported file format, you can crop, you can denoise, you can now you have to save it, and you can choose the video quality and then the frame rate. The more the quality and frame rate, the more will be the size of video. And you can choose format, movie or MP5. Simply save, then this video will be saved in your library and you can choose it or use it as per your desire. Again, you have to see maybe 15-20 second ad because you are using a free version. So just watch the ad, cancel it and go to your library, and you can check the video is saved in your library. Enjoy the video and keep watching. Thank you.